Centuries ago in China, a teacher would call one of his students to the front of the room. He would hold out both hands and explain to the chosen student that one hand held a valuable gold coin and the other was empty. He would invite the chosen student to choose one hand or the other. If the student chose the coin, he would be allowed to keep it. But if he chose the empty hand, the teacher would strike the boy with his clenched fist. If the student decided not to choose at all, he could return to his seat. This ritual was practiced each day in the teacher's classroom. Because the students knew of the teacher's strength and skill as a fighter, they were afraid to make a choice. They knew that to be hit by him would result in serious injury. On the rare occasion that a student would choose a hand, the teacher would ask, "Are you sure?" As the student looked more closely at the teacher's hard fist and even harder scowl, he would invariably change his mind and hurry back to his seat. Finally, Chin was called to front of the room. Chin's father had died in the wars 5 years before, and his family was having trouble getting by. Chin needed the gold coin. The instructor held out his fists. Chin studied both hands for a long time. His classmates stared at him, expecting him to simply return to his seat as each of them had done. Finally, Chin pointed to the teacher's left fist. "Are you sure?" the instructor asked. Chin nodded. "Would you like to forget about your choice and return to your seat?" Chin shook his head no. The instructor's fist shot out and struck Chin squarely in the face, knocking him to the floor. Chin lay on the floor looking up at his teacher in a daze. Then the instructor turned both fists over and revealed that each of them held a gold coin. "You cannot expect anything for free," the teacher told his class. "There is a price that comes with everything." The teacher helped Chin to his feet, smiled, and placed the gold coins into his hand. He never repeated the exercise again. Where to take it from? Here. People today are afraid to make choices. Like the students in the classroom, they are afraid of failure. They are afraid of pain. They are afraid of commitment. They are afraid that it might cost them something. Life is full of choices like that. And contrary to popular belief, the best things in life are not free. They are always costly, but worth it.